It's very cheeky. Thank you, that's very nice. Jesus, that's a rubbish gearbox, right? Yeah, 595. All hell is going to break loose. And it actually is faster than a Porsche Macan. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this quick and dirty POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today, well, we were at Elmerhaus for some other cars, but we got offered to drive this awesome little Abarth. And, well, we couldn't say no, and it has 220 horsepower. So I'm going to do a quick POV review. I haven't done any research. I don't know that much about these cars, so please forgive me if it's not that in-depth for all you purists and Abarth fans. One thing that I will say is that you can go subscribe to our channel and make sure that the notifications are turned on so you receive updates when we upload a new video, and that you can follow us on Instagram at AutoTopNL. I will also say that this color, this blue color, looks freaking awesome on this car, together with those OZ racing wheels. The customer is actually, the owner is actually an Italian guy, so we've got this Italian flag running across the front. This is a Competizione, 595 Competizione, so we've got a very cool exhaust as well. This has been done by Elmerhaus as well, and it has another Italian flag on the rear spoiler. It's a convertible, by the way, a 500C or 595C. So very cool. It has an exhaust, it has different downpipe with sport cat. There is the little 1.4 liter engine. Stock, it has around a 170 horsepower, I believe. This one has 220 horsepower, so it has an ECU tune, sports cat in the downpipes, different exhaust, and a different air filter. That's about it. So you can see the Italian flag there, very cool. And there's a big thunderstorm rolling in over there, so I'm going to really make this quick, because all hell is going to break loose. So all these changes mean 220 horsepower is actually quite a lot for such a small car. It is pretty fast. We've also got these awesome sabled seats with the 595 logo embroidered on there. It looks awesome. I haven't driven this for like 1 meter, so I'm going to experience it with you guys. Oh, the seating position in these cars is so bad. They are fun though. It's like a little comedy car. It's like this little bomb on wheels. It's super cool. So we did a 100 to 200 measurement, and it actually is faster than a Porsche Macan. So it did like 24.3, I think. And it has some nice burbles on the overrun, which sound pretty natural. It's pretty cool. It has this really distinctive sound. All the Abarths do. Thank you, that's very nice. Oh. Woo. Very cool. Oh, this is a lot of fun. I could imagine having this just to do your grocery shopping or something like that, you know, just if you have to pop into town and you need something that's nimble, quick, easy to park, but still looks awesome and sounds cool. Very nice, very, very nice. So these days you have a lot of different flavors of Abarth. So you've got the 595, that's the new name of the 500 Abarth. So it's no longer 500, it's just 595. Right? Yeah, 595. you have the Turismo, the Competizione, the Biposto, and I think there's another one. As I said, I'm not really that into... Jesus, that's a rubbish gearbox. I remember we used to have one of these. Martijn and I, our company car, it used to be a Fiat 500 Twin Air with the 2-cylinder, which was freaking awesome. So I remember that these gearboxes they're so loose. Listen to that first gear low down sound. That's awesome. I mean, I always like this, that when we come somewhere and we plan on doing, you know, a particular car or a couple of cars, and then we come there and the guy or the company says, oh well, we've also got this one. It's just fun to have a little drive. You know, it's very hot out, but as I said, the thunder is coming. So just a nice little drive, enjoying 595 Competizione with you guys, of course. Also, why not? It's such a shouty little car. It's very cheeky. I really like that character. I think there are not that many cars left that have a little bit of humor, and I think that this really does. So to drive, I mean, it's not great. They had to work with a 500, so it's stiffer than a 500, a little bit lower, but you still have that horrible seating position that's just way too high, even with these super cool seats. But that's not really what it's for. It's just a fun little car that's also pretty quick. And this one with this exhaust, with this Sport Cat and ECU upgrade, it sounds friggin' mean, and it's just a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this little snippet of a review. It's very short, but I hope it's still sweet. So if you want more information about stuff like this, if you have a 595 Competizione or whatever, you want something, go check out Elmerhaus in Germany. They have a lot of stuff. They build a lot of cool stuff, so go check them out. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video or go check out this playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye guys.